Hi, Junior Engineer. I'm Amisha, and welcome to the Compass Kit. You're about to build something super cool, your very own working compass. This compass uses magnets and bezels to help you understand how people find their way, whether they're sailing the sea, flying a plane, or going on a hike. I'll be guiding you through 3 awesome experiments where you'll learn how to use your compass. So anytime you come to an experiment page in your booklet, go to the next video and I'll walk you through it. And don't forget, at the very end of your instruction booklet, you'll find extra activities to do on your own, like doing a scavenger hunt or pretending to fly to your favorite park. So let's get started. Pick up your instruction booklet and start building. And I'll see you back here at experiment number 1.